Hiya, it's Faye here with another unboxing, but this one's a little bit special. This one is our t-shirts and hoodies with designs on that I'd created using digital software, and I decided it'd be lovely to see my designs on t-shirts and long sleeve t-shirts as well as hoodies. I love printed hoodies. And I recorded this yesterday, but unfortunately I didn't have my microphone turned on. So I know it's a bit dark in here today. Unfortunately I've already worked the whole day long, went to edit my video and found that there was no sound on it. So it's now a little bit dark, so the colours aren't quite right. And I'm already wearing the hoodie. So I'll show you the hoodie first as I'm wearing it. Let me stand up. So this is my hanging with my nomies hoodie design, and it's 3 nomies, all in sort of Christmassy colours actually, and I really like them. And they are on a white background, hanging with my nomies, and this hoodie is a navy blue one. Now when I recorded the video yesterday, I did say that the white isn't quite as bright as I was hoping it would be, because you can see the navy blue of the jumper through the print work, and their noses are a little bit washed out. So on the navy blue I wasn't that happy, but I have actually seen a t-shirt that one of our supporters has purchased. She's bought the grey t-shirt with the same print design on, and it looks fantastic, and the white is really bold and bright. So from a design perspective, I am happy with the design, but it doesn't quite look right on the navy blue hoodie. I do like the sizing of the hoodie. This is a Gents Hoodie, size large, which I mistakenly ordered, and it actually comes quite a long way down. It covers my bottom, and it's got pockets as well. I didn't intend to buy the men's one. I just happened to be on that page and added it to my basket and wasn't really paying attention, but it's a really lovely fit and it's nice and warm. Now one of the things I like about the company that I've chosen for our printed products, it's called Teemill. They're in the UK on the Isle of Wight, and they're very much into sustainability and recycling and plastic free, and all of their garments are 100% cotton, which they source in a sustainable way, and all waste water and waste cotton from the process of making the garments all gets reused. And I'll put a link to the Teemill journey in the description below, which explains in more detail about their sustainability process. One thing I really liked when the packaging arrived is paper packaging, and I love the design work. Look at all those cute little drawings on the envelope, and obviously plastic sucks. So that was my first thought, was this is really nice looking packaging. A couple of the other items that I ordered was the grey ladies crew neck t-shirt with Eat, Sleep, Crochet, Repeat. Let's bring that up to the camera so you can see more clearly. So I really do eat, sleep, crochet and repeat when I'm not drawing, that is. The background of the design work and the colours is actually taken from a photograph of some of my crochet at the festival poncho, and it's that's created the rainbow effect of the lettering. So this is now available in our shop. There is also an Eat, Sleep, Knit, Repeat version as well, available as t-shirts and hoodies. The same with the Hanging with My Nomies design. It's available on men's and ladies t-shirts and hoodies. At the moment we are limited on colours, different garment styles, because that's what I've chosen to concentrate on first. And we have 2 bags in the shop as well. The first cotton bag is Eat, Sleep, Crochet, Repeat. It's on 3 different colours. This is the natural, and I'm just really pleased with the printing. It's really lovely. These aren't your regular flat tote bags, they actually have a narrow base to them as well, which makes them just a little bit deeper than a conventional tote bag. So they're in the shop as well. And I also got a black tote bag with our happiness is handmade, and as you can see from the rainbow colouring, that the base of the image is the same festival poncho. I just really loved the colours in it. So that's our happiness is handmade tote bag, and these are all available on the shop. I will put a link in the description below, so if you fancy getting some of my unique designs firsthand, just click on the link and go shopping. Like I say, they're in the UK. And if you're watching this as it's gone live, Teemill are doing free post on all orders from the 1st of January 2021 until midnight Sunday the 3rd of January 2021. So if you get your order in this weekend, you'll get free post as well. Thank you for joining me today, and I look forward to introducing you to more designs. We've got some pattern videos coming up in the new year, and a new video series which is Treble the Trouble with Yarn, where I get together with 2 other crochet designers once a month, and we will be discussing all things yarny and crochet like, from beginner right through to advanced and experienced, and we're hoping that we can cover some topics that would be of interest to you all, so look out for that. If you've enjoyed my video, click the thumbs up below to give us a like, subscribe to the channel and click on the bell so that you receive notifications of new video uploads, and I look forward to seeing you again soon. One last look at the hoodie. I really do like it.